ProfitSniperX review, demo, and $4,997 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is my ProfitSniperX review. Now, what is it? This is a brand new product released by Glynn, and what it does, it includes done for you funnels, so everything you need to sell anything online. So it doesn't really matter if you want to make money as an affiliate marketer, if you want to sell your own products, you need a funnel. But the problem with funnels is that most funnels are not optimized to actually squeeze out every single last sale from it. So let's say you have 100 visitors to that enter your funnel, you're probably gonna get maybe 10, 15, sometimes 20 sales if you will really get lucky, right? Now these funnels are designed to squeeze out every single last sale because they are optimized by a 7-figure marketer that actually works with companies and improves on their funnels. We're talking about multiple 7-figure companies, okay? So instead of maybe 5 to 10 sales, you're going to be making 15, 20, 25 sales, which is a huge difference. Essentially, you can double the amount of profits with the same amount of traffic. And by the way, multiple free traffic sources are included with this, and you're getting done for your funnels as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything there is to know about this product. You can make tons of money this way, and I have a huge bonus to it. So almost $5,000 worth of free bonuses that I'm going to include especially for you. So let me share my screen. Let's jump into this ProfitSniperX review. But before I do, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, let me just mention to you that it will be a one-time price that is less than $20. And just to compare how much other companies are charging, ClickFunnels will charge you at least $97 per month, okay? Again, ProfitSniperX is a funnel creator that's a one-time price, okay? They also have a $297 per month or a $1,500 per month option. And if you would go to Fiverr and pay someone to create just one funnel, you would have to spend anywhere from 70 euro, which is like $80. I found this one, which is 23 euro, which is like $30, and another one 79 euro, which is again like 85, $90. So you would have to spend much more on just one funnel comparing to what you're getting with ProfitSniperX, which is multiple already done for you funnels and a ton of additional things. Okay, so right now let's check out the sales page. And as you can see, the sales page says ProfitSniperX, world's first viral traffic and cash funnel app, free viral traffic and done for you cash funnels that generate unlimited leads, sales and commissions on demand. This automated done for you system is making us over $10,000 per week from free traffic. Okay, so guys, as always, you can check all of the sales page out in your own time. 3 simple steps. We got some proof, and this is actually Tony. So Tony is launching this together with Glynn, and he is the expert. Okay, so obviously if you are into making money online, you can probably create a funnel yourself, you know, a squeeze page and a thank you page and a bonus page, etc. But again, these pages, this funnel will be actually leaking sales. Okay, so if you want to have something completely optimized and actually make more money with the same amount of traffic, Tony is the guy. Okay, so he actually works with companies, and companies pay him to optimize their funnels, and as you can see, he is just maximizing the profits for these companies. Okay, and he is the guy behind the funnels that you're gonna get with ProfitSniperX. Okay, so scrolling down here, obviously these funnels work for any niche. You're actually getting a bunch of different done for you funnels in a bunch of different niches. Again, ProfitSniperX, that's the name of this new software. This is my ProfitSniperX review. Tons of proof. You can make thousands of dollars with these funnels, obviously. They are just telling you what is included. I'm going to show you all of that in a second. Some more testimonials. Obviously, you're going to get a 30 days money back guarantee, so absolutely no risk. You're getting these bonuses mentioned on the sales page. You're getting my bonuses on top of these bonuses mentioned here, and all you have to do is just pick it up from my link if you'll decide to do so. Okay, again, you're actually getting a 180-day money back guarantee. Okay, so 6 months to try it out, and then if you don't like it, you can just get your money back. So no risk, absolutely no risk. That's essentially it. Go through all of this once it's live. Now let me show you the inside of the members area. Okay, so first of all, this is the dashboard. you have the welcome video right here. First, let me just show you all the training, okay? Because a part of the software, you're getting training on how to use it and also on how to make money with it, okay? So as you can see, we have set up campaigns, a must watch, that's the video number 1, how to connect your autoresponder. Obviously you can connect your autoresponder, but you don't actually have to do it because you can actually store leads from within the software, and then if you will decide to add an autoresponder later on, you can do that as well. Then we have how to create promo pages, GIFs, because this software actually works with GIFs, and that's a huge boost to conversions. How to add products to the download page, how to add additional affiliate products using the upgrade. So here we have the conversion boosting tools, but bonus builder. We also have traffic strategies. We also have, as you can see, free traffic strategies, and then we have additional training on how to make huge commissions, how to start your online business, and how to get free buyer traffic. Okay, so all the training is included with this. Now, before I'm going to show you how to create a new campaign, let me show you done for you funnels. Okay, so you're getting all of these done for you funnels in different niches. So we have Cinderella solution, flat belly fix, yoga burn, 12-minute affiliate bots, ClickBank University, video marketing blaster, videos, Scribby, the X Factor, manifestation magic, and Ted's woodworking. So these are essentially done for you funnels for ClickBank products. So as you can see, we have the opt-in page. So let me just show you the opt-in page for Cinderella solution. As you can see, simple, but again, this is something that absolutely works because these guys know how to create funnels that don't leak traffic and visitors. Okay, so great looking, simple looking, but this is actually what converts. So that's the opt-in page. You're getting the promo page obviously as well. So this is how it looks like. In this case, it's just a video, and all you have to do is just add your affiliate link right here. And then we have the download page. So this is where you deliver your bonuses, and this is actually where you give recommendations of other products, which means that you're going to be making more money than affiliate. Now this is a part that most people forget about. So as you can see, we have free recommendations a part of the actual bonuses being delivered. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 done for you funnels. Now, as you can see, we can click on traffic right here. So after clicking on it, you can instantly share it on all of these different social media platforms, etc. So we have Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, email, Viber, Telegram, WhatsApp, Buffer, Zing, Line. You know, some of these I don't even know, but you can start sending traffic to these funnels immediately from within the app, and then you can click on view stats, and this will show you all the stats on, as you can see, first of all, the name, visit traffic, opt-in traffic, most used browser, testing period, and then we have you can show traffic data, and you can show traffic data from both visit traffic and opt-in traffic. Okay, so this is how to control all of your campaigns. Now you can also create GIFs. So let me just click on create a GIF, and as you can see, all you have to do is just upload a video, enter a video URL, and add the name, and then select the play button, and this will create an amazing looking GIF, which will be a conversion booster. So instead of using just simple images, this is something interactive. This is something that is moving, so people will be more engaged with it, and that boosts sales as well. Okay, so that's the GIF maker that is included. Obviously, we have the autoresponder, so you can connect your autoresponder. We have Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Lens, SendLane, ConvertKit, HubSpot, Constant Contact, and Sendeo. Then we have affiliate products. Okay, so actually from within the software you can access all of these products. So we have all of these that are already added. So we have all of these, you know, different essentially ClickBank products that you can start using immediately, and you know, we have all the links and everything else. Then we have free traffic. Now this is actually worth probably tons of money, because these guys will actually show you how to get free traffic, and also you're going to get an additional piece of software that generates traffic. Okay, so some of these funnel builder, including ClickFunnels, they essentially allow you to build these funnels, but then you still have to figure out how to get the traffic yourself. You get the free traffic module within ProfitSniperX. Okay, so as you can see, you're going to get Affiliate Traffic Lab, which is a piece of software that will generate traffic for you. You're also getting Viral Newsjacker plus Tube Traffic Machine. You're also getting traffic training, and then you are also getting a traffic guide. Okay, so these guys won't leave you hanging. They will actually make sure that you get all the traffic that you can send to all of these funnels that you already have. Okay, so this is what's included. Let me just click on new campaign and show you how to create one. I'm not going to be creating a full campaign, but let me just show you how it works. Okay, so we have new campaigns. Let me click on create. As you can see, all we have to do is just add a title. We can add custom tokens or short codes if we want to, and then we have 3 steps. So we have to start editing the funnel, which means that you can load opt-in page templates, or you can start from scratch. Then we click a setting step to configure your funnel, and then we add all edits and add buttons to the bottom of the page. Okay, so that's essentially 3 simple steps. You can create these. Obviously you have all of these different done for you funnels that I already showed you that are included, and that's what's included inside. Okay, so super simple funnel builder, but the thing is, these guys already tested all of these pages, so you know that it will not leak traffic. It will be actually optimized to a T. So again, it really makes a difference if you're getting 100 visitors, if you're making 5 sales or 10 sales, or if you're making 20 or 25 or 30 sales. So these are super optimized, and again, you're getting all the training, all the done for you funnels, the gift creator, autoresponder, integration, and all of that for a silly low one-time price, comparing to, you know, ClickFunnels or any other funnel builder that will charge you monthly. It's an amazing price. Okay, so guys, right now let's check out the actual pricing and all of the upsells. Okay, so as you can see, ProfitSniperX will be actually $17. Okay, so guys, this is a crazy low price, but with that being said, this is the early bird price, which means that you have to show up early to get it. The price will be going up after the initial launch period, and this, as you can see, price will rise every hour. Okay, so make sure to show up when it's live. Now we do have some one-time offers. As you can see, 6 one-time offers after you will decide to pick up the main version. Now everything I showed you in this video is included in the main version. Okay, we have some upsells. So OTO number 1, that's the ProfitSniperX Unlimited version. ProfitSniperX OTO number 2 is 100% done for you. Then we have unlimited traffic. This will be OTO number 3. OTO number 4 is 30K per month. OTO number 5 is super affiliate, and OTO number 6 is license rights. Now, if you want to see exactly what's included in each one, I have a full written review right here on my blog as always. So just to tell you exactly what is included. The unlimited version allows you to create unlimited funnels, unlimited landing pages, more landing page templates, graphics, and a banner ad creator. Okay, so you do have some limitations on the main version. You'll be absolutely fine with it, and you will be able to make money and create funnels and use the done for you funnels and everything else. But if you want an unlimited version, that's $67. Then ProfitSniperX OTO number 2, the done for you. You're getting additional done for you campaigns. All you have to do is just hook up your autoresponder into it, and you're getting all the done for you materials. This is tested and proven to work, so 100% done for you, $97. ProfitSniperX OTO number 3, that's unlimited traffic. Here you're getting a powerful traffic generator. Okay, so obviously you get the free traffic training, and actually with my bonuses you're going to get tons of additional training. But if you want a traffic generator, that's $97, and that's the third OTO. ProfitSniperX OTO number 4, we have 30K per month, $67, and this is additional training and an additional module on how to make even more money and scale this up to $30,000 per month. ProfitSniperX OTO number 5, we have a super affiliate training, $67. So this is an additional training module on how to increase your conversions even higher. And last one is license rights. So that's ProfitSniperX OTO number 6, $97. This allows you to sell ProfitSniperX as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel. So not just the main version, but the whole funnel. So a total of 7 products. Okay, so guys, let me just tell you before I'm going to show you all of my bonuses that ProfitSniperX goes live at 9 AM Eastern on June 21st. Now, if you want to pick it up from my link to get all of these bonuses, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links right here from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, the first link in the description will take you to my blog, and the second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page, but only after 9 AM Eastern on June 1st. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you free custom-made bonuses, and these will include a full PRR license, which means that you can use these because these are all traffic sources, and you can also sell them, give them away, do whatever you want with these. Okay, so free custom-made bonuses, especially for this promotion. I'm actually going to give you 5 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns. Okay, so this is worth probably $47 on its own, yours for free, 5 done for you marketing campaigns. Additional software, this is what you're also getting from me: Affiliate Warrior software, Affiliate Promo Machine software, and Extreme Affiliate Page. A free times reseller's license to 3 of my own products. So this is another amazing bonus worth at least $300. A free traffic lab, that's another piece of software you're getting from me. So again, you'll be able to actually generate more traffic for your funnels, and you're going to get a bunch of additional W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. $500 CPA every day, $200 cashback, $300 CPA every day, the CPA coffee shop method, $2,000 CPA traffic jacker, instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, the commission toolbox, $100 CPA daily, pure profit payday, WP video, viral quick, affiliate advantage, image plus, list building expert, 100 e-course publishing tips, speedy content publishing tips, slide shared video, and a ton of additional plugins and software. So you're getting affiliate advantage plugin, giant plugin with sales page writing software, squeeze page creator, TrueText, IS Popbox, sales bar, shortcut call to action, client extractor, image grab, viral suite, action simulator, Facebook audience builder, instant publisher, pin book, social traffic hoover, Facebook photo contest, responsive slider, YouTube video gallery, Pinterest portfolio, post grid, post widget, courses plugin, and on top of all this, you're getting my mega bonus. Now, my mega bonus just recently got bigger. It is now 116 W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses, and this means that the total value of this bonus package is $4,997. Now, this is a real world value. You would actually have to spend $5,000 if you would get all of these bonuses individually. This is all yours for free, again, just as a thank you for picking up ProfitSniperX through my link. Check out my full written review right here. As always, guys, I'm putting tons of work in each and every single one of these reviews. Right now, let's sum up this ProfitSniperX review. What you can do is you can create multiple income streams and affiliate commissions. Obviously, you're getting the done for you funnels for all the ClickBank products. These are 100% done for you campaigns, so all you have to do is just add your affiliate link to them. You're even getting their traffic. Set up once and 0 maintenance costs, which means that no monthly recurring fees ever. Beginner friendly, 0 experience needed. Free traffic apps and training included. Again, all the training plus all the additional free traffic apps are included with this. You're going to grow a massive buyers list, and obviously you're getting a 180 days money back guarantee, and you're actually getting agency rights included, which means that you can actually create funnels for other people and charge them money for it. So I showed you on Fiverr, people charge anywhere from $30 to probably $80 per funnel. You can do that too if you want to, because you're getting the license with ProfitSniperX to do so. Now, 9 a.m. Eastern on June 21st is when ProfitSniperX goes live. Make sure to pick it up from my link to get all of these bonuses. And before you go, let me just show you how to claim my bonus after you will decide to pick up ProfitSniperX through my link. So all you have to do is go to your purchase history, click on your icon with your name right here in the top right corner, go to the purchase history, find ProfitSniperX, click on it, and below the buttons it says click here to access your purchase. You should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you claim it. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. It's all done for you automatically. And I really like this product because, first of all, it is cheaper than what the competitors are charging. It is a one-time price, so no recurring fees. You're getting all these done for your funnels. It is super unique comparing to any other funnel builder because it is proven to be not leaking traffic, so you're not losing any traffic, any visitors, and everything I showed you in this video is included. So this is essentially like 3 products in one. So guys, this gets 2 thumbs up from me. Make sure to pick it up from my link. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment under this YouTube video. Like this video, subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao.